Hi everyone, I'm here at Hobby Lobby and they've done clearance in the sticker section and I've missed it at my store. You see those D's on that tag right there? Those are the ones that have been discontinued and they're gone already. So like those construction trucks are 99 cents. Let's see, this Christmas one down there is 87 cents. There are some more stickers over here. These are about 74 cents, but you can see right here at those D's, those are already gone. They have some of these packs right here. These are 99 cents. And then these smaller stickers over here are 62 cents. They also have these like border ones. So the burlap one is 99 cents. This one down here is 34 cents. The black one is 99 cents. This silver up here, right there, is 74 cents. These wedding ones are 62 cents. There is a family one for 62 cents. And oh, there's some dinos right there for 99 cents, which I will be grabbing those. There's some fishing down here, 74 cents. A lot of these were already cleared out. You can see it's all empty right there. So 74 cents for the birthday ones. Right here they have military ones for 62 cents, and then there's like a Mr. Fix-It that's 62 cents as well. Here are more of those little die cut packs or embellishment packs, and they're basically out at my store. This one right there is $1.24. They have some sticker books right here. So this one right there is a military one that is $1.50. This one is like a mermaid, unicorn, whimsical type. That one is $1.24. There's this little one right here for 99 cents. And then there's also a wooden one for $1.24. We have some Christmas and fall over here. So this little gingerbread one is 87 cents and the nutcrackers 87, and then the other ones are $1.12. Then the last one I see is this kindergarten one for 99 cents. So run out to your store and see what you can find. I hope you have better luck in finding items because my store is pretty much wiped out right now already. So happy shopping, guys.